Do you want to build your own crypto arbitrage bot? If yes, with BlockTech Brew, you can launch your own fully automated, scalable, and tailored arbitrage built exactly as per your requirements. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of one of our recent crypto arbitrage trading bot. Firstly, we begin with secure onboarding. Every user signs in with credentials and OTP verification, keeping accounts protected from the start. Once inside, the dashboard becomes your control center, showing all active bots, balances, and live performance metrics in one clean view. First, let's talk about single exchange or intra-exchange arbitrage. Here, you configure your bot by selecting exchange, trading pairs, fees, slippage, and profit threshold. Deploying takes just one click. Once deployed, performance can be tracked in real time, from profit and loss ratios to trade outcomes and detailed order summaries. For complete transparency, server logs display ongoing scans, while error logs highlight any issues, making troubleshooting fast and easy. Now let's move to cross-exchange, or the inter-exchange arbitrage. This lets you connect two exchanges, set your trade amount, minimum spread, and profit targets. The bot then scans continuously for price gaps. The dashboard shows you the live spread between exchanges, bot health status, and a detailed trade log, so every transaction is fully tracked. Live server logs record every execution detail, from transfers to confirmations, giving you real-time insight into performance. And if an issue arises, error logs capture it instantly, with quick action options like retry, ignore, or open ticket for smooth handling. With BlockTech Brew, you don't just get a product. We provide you a ready-to-launch crypto arbitrage bot designed around your goals. Everything is automated, transparent, and optimized for profits. So, if you're ready to build and launch your own custom arbitrage bot or any other desired blockchain or Web3 powered solution, BlockTech Brew is here for you. Sign up on our website right away.